Looking for a smarter way to shed those extra pounds? Want to unlock your body's natural fat-burning power? It turns out the secret lies inside your cells, specifically in tiny structures called mitochondria. Today, we're going to show you how understanding your body's powerhouses can help you lose weight faster and more effectively. What are mitochondria? Think of mitochondria as your body's energy factories. These microscopic structures inside your cells convert the food you eat, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, into the energy your body needs to move, think, and even burn fat. This process is called cellular respiration, and the more active your mitochondria are, the more energy your body can generate, and the more fat you can burn. Why do mitochondria matter for weight loss? Here's the key. When your mitochondria are working well, they efficiently burn stored fat for energy. That means boosting mitochondrial function can actually help you lose weight faster. But if your mitochondria aren't functioning optimally due to inactivity or poor diet, they become less effective at burning fat, making weight loss harder. What science says? Research supports this connection. Studies show that people who have healthier, more active mitochondria tend to lose weight more easily. A 2018 study found that increasing mitochondrial activity in animals led to faster fat loss. In humans, regular aerobic exercise boosts mitochondrial number and efficiency, helping you burn more calories and fat. Nutrients like resveratrol and CoQ10 are being studied for their potential to support mitochondrial health, possibly giving your weight loss efforts a boost. And how to supercharge your mitochondria and your weight loss. Good news, you can enhance your mitochondria to maximize your fat burning potential. Here's how: get moving. Aerobic exercises like walking, running, cycling, and swimming increase mitochondrial density and efficiency. Eat for your mitochondria. Fill your plate with nutrient-dense foods, vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats that give your mitochondria the fuel they need. Try intermittent fasting. Some research suggests that fasting can stimulate mitochondrial growth and improve their function. Consider supplements. Certain supplements such as CoQ10 or resveratrol may support mitochondrial health. Always talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Takeaway. Remember, your mitochondria are the secret weapon in your weight loss journey. By nourishing and exercising them, you can boost your metabolism, burn more fat, and reach your goals faster. Fuel your mitochondria, fuel your weight loss. Thanks for watching. If you're serious about losing weight, understanding and supporting your mitochondria could be your game changer. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips on transforming your body from the inside out. Look at the summary for a link to lose weight.